Hey, this is Joey at Best Trailers. I'm going to show you this porch trailer we just got in. This is an Empire Cargo 24-foot model. This has got the full pink exterior, semi-shroudless exterior like we do on all of them. Done with the blackout trim. You've got two propane cages here on the front. These will hold 100-pound propane tanks. And then our mini split AC unit for the inside. Mini splits is a little bit better option than the roof vent option. It's a serviceable unit, so any AC tech can take a look at it. This one's already got the propane lines ran into it. So you got the hoses here. They run inside underneath the trailer. On the front here, we have a generator box. Keep your generator out of the weather, keep it secure. Doors open up on the other side to where you can slide it out, open it, run it. Now this one also has a half bath, which I'll get to you in a minute and show you the half bath on the other side. We don't do many with a bathroom. It's kind of a rare option. We've got the toilet up front here with the hand wash sink. Not a great big bathroom, but just big enough one person can get in here, use it, and get back to work. A lot of you women got a pink trailer, you got a nice bathroom to go with it. Now on the side here, we got a 3x5 concession window with glass and screen. This has got the horizontal sliding glass and screen. Our standard flip up serving shelf and work lights on each side of the window. This one is set up with an awning prep. So we got the awning rail up there and they've got braces in the walls for an awning if you want to add an awning. And this one's got a 6-foot knee-high wall. Well, it's what we call a knee-high wall. It's actually a little bit higher. Solid wall on the porch. You've got the barn door style gate as well as a walk-through gate on the other side. We've done the rubber floor on the porch and we kept with the black trim on the porch to go with the black trim on the outside. Your standard 36-inch RV door with the window on it, 15x30 window. Then here on the inside, we've got the mill finish aluminum set up and you've got a 10-foot hood. Fire suppression built into the hood. You can see the tank up front up there. There's a table built out here so you can put some equipment on it. We've already got some equipment mounts built into the wall. Switch for your hood, motor speed, fan speed, everything right there. We've got several receptacles down this wall as well as this wall here. You've got a 7.5-foot interior height, so you've got plenty of an interior height. Make sure you get all your equipment in here flipped up and ready to go. Pink cabinets to match the outside. You've got the stainless steel sinks, your 3-compartment sink with your hand wash sink. This is an 8.5 wide, so it's gonna have the 35-gallon freshwater tank and the 52-gallon wastewater tank. Hand wash sink there on the side. LED lights going the full length of the trailer on the interior. 6 LED lights in here. We have financing on all these, so we can get you financing, nationwide delivery, whatever you need. We can build this out with equipment. We'll get you set up with your trailer. My number is 478-654-5350. We're in Byron, Georgia, right off of 75, just north of the Buc-ee's.